Hello, beautiful people, you can hear. I'm excited to discuss the holiday collection. So, first up is Bolden. I absolutely love Bolden because Bolden is that earring. Bolden is that earring that will go with any gold outfit or any outfit that needs like a pop of gold. Bolden is it, yo. Bolden is it, and I absolutely love these earrings. I love most about it are the textures. It has 3 different textures on it. The 3 circles have 3 different sizes. Largest and the smallest circle have the same texture. They're made of the same texture. I absolutely enjoyed creating this. Honestly, it turned out better than I expected. I didn't expect it to turn out this good, so it makes me super excited. I love these earrings. Twisted border around it. Super duper love these. Oh my god. The dashing earrings. I couldn't think of a better name than dashing because throughout the winter, through the holidays, they're dashing through the snow. So I couldn't help it but to call these dashing, darling, dashing, because these, oh gosh, I just love these. And I love to play with golds and silvers, like gold and silver tones or gold and silver colors. Wearing an outfit that consists of like a little bit of silver, or if you're mixing metals, I think this will be a perfect topper. I think these are a perfect way to finish an outfit. I love how this is perfect if you're wearing gray attire, if you're wearing silver attire, these earrings would be perfect. Perfection. For those looks. You know I had to make these in brown, right? You know I had to make dashing, darling, in brown. Love these, love these, love these. It's, oh my gosh, it's so good. Brown ones, these go with almost anything. It just makes any outfit pop, whether you want to go with the evening gown or you want to keep it a little simple. You can go with the dashing brown earrings, darling. I love these. I feel like I'm gonna love these for life. So I love that this comes in 2 different colors. I never thought that I would be including studs. Studs? Me, who loves big earrings? But I had to because I made these as a special little gift for some people. And then they told me like, you have to sell this. You have to put this in one of your collections. So I did. And I also had to include galore. So pretty. So these I made for my mom, and then I don't know, I was told the same thing that I had to put it in, and it fits right in the holiday collection, so I'm super happy about them. Last but not least, these green earrings. Absolutely love the posh earrings. I wanted to add in a pop of color for the holidays also because I was thinking, what are some holiday colors? And all I could think of were like red and green, Christmas, red and green. So I couldn't help but to create these earrings, and I absolutely love them. I love these earrings. Anytime I'm wearing green, I literally throw these on. Absolutely cannot wait for you to shop the holiday collection. It's available now. I'm definitely excited about the holiday collection. Yes! Whether you're staying home or you're heading out for a tiny bit to hang out with family, throw on your sequins and top off your look with some befitting style earrings.